Hello, Tasfai from the Tutorial Academy. Thank you very much for coming to this 10th lesson that we are looking at Oromo for communication purposes. In our previous lessons, we have seen on how to communicate on different issues like greetings, like introducing oneself, and so on. Today, we are going to see on a different topic. This is how we ask directions or how we tell directions to somebody who may ask us the direction to somewhere, to go some places. Okay, so this is part of the communication when we don't know, especially areas, locations, and directions. So we see some of the questions that we can ask to get directions to where we are going. So stay with me, and I'm gonna ask some questions how we can deal with this. Where are you going? Eessa deemtaa? Eessa deemtaa? Eessa deemtaa? Is there any bank around? Baankiin naannoo kana jiraa? Baankiin naannoo kana jiraa? This is for question for any bank. Baankiin naannoo kana jiraa? Which way is stadium from here? Stadiumii karaa kam deemuu? Stadiumii karaa kam deemuu? This is assuming there is only one stadium in the area. Stadiumii karaa kam deemuu? Where can I take a taxi to Mercato? Mercato is a place in a city. Taxi Mercato deemu eessatti qabatu? Taxi Mercato deemu eessatti qabatu? Taxi Mercato deemu eessatti qabatu? Which direction is Bole from here? Bole is a place as well, where the Ethiopian airport is. Asirraa Booleen gara kamii? Asirraa Booleen gara kamii? Asirraa Booleen gara kamii? Asirraa Booleen gara kamii? If you say like that, we need to add one I. Asirraa Booleen gara kamii? Which direction is to go to Wallagga? Wallagga is a province. Karaan Wallaggaa deemu eessaanii? Karaan Wallaggaa deemu eessaanii? Karaan Wallaggaa deemu eessaanii? Is Piazza this way or that way? Piazza is a place as well in a city in Addis Ababa. Is Piazza this way or that way? Piazzaan gara namoo garasii? Piazzaan gara namoo garasii? So we are indicating to our left and our right this time. Not up and down, but right and left. Piazzaan gara namoo garasii? Piazzaan gara namoo garasii? Is Bedele in the east or in the west? Bedele is a town. Bedeleen bahamoo dhiyaatti argamaa? Bedeleen bahamoo dhiyaatti argamaa? So Baha, East, Dhiyaa, West. We'll see this in a moment. Do you want to go to the north or to the south? Gara kaabaa moo gara kibbaa deemuu feetaa? Gara kaabaa moo gara kibbaa deemuu feetaa? So in asking questions, these are the words that we use usually here, as or kuno. Here, as or kuno. There, ach or kuno. Ach or kuno. Up, ol, ol. Down, gad. under, jala, left, bita, right, mirga. These are words that we use for directions. They are very useful. Hear more of them. Upper, gubba. This is for a position. Gubba. Down, goda. This is like for a location. Below or under. Gajjalla, garajala. This is also a position. Garajala, gajjalla. Upper, gararra, gara that's for a location. Gararra, gararra. And these are the directions. Okay, the 4 main directions: there, west, baha, east. Baha means literally rise, sunrise. There means sunset. So the rise, sunrise, and the sunset used as the name for the direction as well. Kibba, south, Kaaba, that's north. So the other directions are just as any other language. They were created from the combinations of these two directions from which they are from, at the middle of. Kibba baha, kibba dhiyaa, kibba baha, kaaba baha, kaaba dhiyaa. So the only thing you have to look at is this 4: baha, dhiyaa, kibba, kaaba. Okay, that are very useful in identifying directions and also asking directions. So that's what it is for you there, even though the image is self-explanatory. And that's end of this lessons. And I have a question for you. Which way is Adama? Adama is a city. Which way is Adama? Adaman eessani? Adaman karaa kamii? Adaman gara kamii? All can be used. Write the letter of your choice on the comments and also ask any question you have and I will answer you. Thank you very much. I'll end this lesson over here. I hope that's useful for you and have a nice time. Bye bye. See you next video.